Naturopathy is simply healing or curing illness of the body with natural substance such as plants and other natural substances as explained below. Naturopathy cures the disease from its root cause, yet without any side effects. Therefore, comparing naturopathy with modern allopathy, I would say allopathy is good in emergency cases like accidents, etc. Yet naturopathy supersedes in curing chronic diseases of the body and is the best. I personally use naturopathy and homeopathy combined to cure my patients, and God willing, it's showing me outstanding results. Naturopathy is a form of healthcare that combines modern treatment with traditional methods. It includes alternative natural therapies to modern medicine. Naturopathic fields. Number 1, herbalism is the first written record of herbs used as medicines was made over 5000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia is the practice of taking plants to bring oneself back into balance. The earliest system of medicine known and the foundation of all other forms of medicine. It is estimated that there are about 350,000 species of existing plants, including seed plants, biophytes, and ferns, among which 287,655 species have been identified as herbal medicine, also called botanical medicine, phytomedicine, or phytotherapy. Number 2, nutrition. Introduced in 1926 is the study of food. Food is any substance which contains nutrients. Nutrient is any substance which can be digested and used by the body. A proper quantity of the right food at the right time. Number 3, homeopathy was conceived in 1796 by a German physician, Samuel Hahnemann, is a safe and effective alternative to drugs and chemical treatments, healing versus suppression, vitality versus disease, and how things such as stress, environment, diet, genetic disposition, and vaccinations affect health and more. Ayurveda, traditional Indian natural medicine, Vat, Pitta, and Kapha. In English, it is gas, acidity, and cough. Discovered approximately 5000 years ago, Ayu means life and Veda means knowledge. Knowledge of life is Ayurveda. Our body is of two components, physical that we see as and consciousness that is about 7 inches surrounding the physical which is life. We are going to concentrate on both in this course. Number 5, traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, acupressure, cupping. Traditional Chinese medicine TCM originated in 3rd century BCE and has evolved over thousands of years. TCM practitioners use herbs, acupuncture, acupressure, and cupping to treat a wide range of conditions. Number 6, aromatherapy. Jean Valnet, a French surgeon and physician, discovered it during the Second World War. It is the use of essential oils taken from plants to improve quality of life to reduce stress and anxiety. It's used along with standard hospital treatment to strengthen the recovery. Aromatherapy oils are made from fragrant oils found in plants. Radiology. Dr. Philippus Mayans discovered it in 1670. It studies the colored portion of the eye named iris. The iris is a highly innervated organ which is stimulated both by external environments and well as the body. The structure of the iris mirrors the individual constitution, illness, harmful habits, and aging. Hydrotherapy dates back to ancient Greece. Hippocrates used of hydrotherapy for the first time and referred to the treatment as hydropathy. Hydrotherapy is one of the basic methods of treatment widely used in the system of natural medicine, which is also called water therapy, aquatic therapy, pool therapy, and balenotherapy. Number 9, Unani. Unani medicine originated and traced back to ancient Greek in the doctrines of physicians Hippocrates and Galen among 2500 years ago, also called Unani Tib. Arabic medicine or Islamic medicine, a traditional system of healing and health maintenance observed in South Asia.